Let's help Cappuccina.
Hold on, let me just take this in. That little freckle right there? I'm getting so excited. I live for this part. This is going to be worth the wait. The best is yet to come, I assure you. I knew you were beautiful, but this is a whole new level. Flawless! I actually gasped. Amazing! Honestly, I'm a little speechless. Amazing! This is why I love my job. This product smells like old crayons. Let's remove this immediately. This is just yuck. This feels like something you'd find at the bottom of a swamp. Let's remove this immediately. It's going to be spectacular. I have a feeling this will be your new favorite look. I can't wait to see your reaction. I can't wait to see your reaction. The thought of the bacteria makes my skin crawl. This is the moment of truth. It looks like chalk dust. I feel ill. I need to wash my hands immediately. It's just grim. I'm so inspired. My hands are literally tingling with excitement. The structure is there. Now for the color. I hope you're as excited as I am. One, two, three, let's go. This is making my stomach turn. I have a vision, and it's coming to life right now. I'm going to be sick. It looks like chalk dust. I'm getting so excited. I am buzzing with ideas for this look. I live for this part. I live for this part. I'm getting so excited. My hands are literally tingling with excitement. This is going to photograph so beautifully. This is the creative energy I live for. I can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. I can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. I'm getting so excited. 1, 2, 3, let's go. You are absolutely luminous. I'm ready. can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. I have a feeling this will be your new favorite look. It's grotesque. That's just vile. It's going to be spectacular. Just wait. I am so excited to put this color on you. I can feel it. I can't wait to see your reaction. I can already envision the final look. Okay, deep breath. This palette was practically screaming your name. I am so excited to put this color on you. Okay, deep breath. Just wait. I can't wait to see your reaction. Okay, deep breath. I think this might be one of my favorite looks ever, and we're not even done. inspired. This is going to be worth the wait. This is going to be worth the wait. This is making my stomach turn. It's almost time. I'm anticipating a flawless finish. This smells like plastic and regret. It's got a beautiful, painterly quality to it. It's just so satisfying to look at. It's just so satisfying to look at. This is why I do what I do. I'm just floored. The balance is just right. It's just so satisfying to look at. This is why I do what I do. The balance is just right. It's just so satisfying to look at. I am just so wonderfully surprised by this. This is why I do what I do. A complete dream. It's so soft and romantic.